day in Canada. The hornwort is really growing. You can see how it's spreading about and moving in the churning water. I just love the hornwort. The fish love it too. It takes a while to get growing because they eat it all in the spring. But the little pieces that survive end up like this. Look at how beautiful that hornwort is. And it likes to move around a lot in the water, just like the beautiful fish. What a beautiful sunny day. Big koi are really happy. Really hungry too. So here, guys. Nobody wants a bite. Leaves are falling. Darn. And over there, there's some aquatic mint. That's in the pond, and there's a woolgrass bulrush. Fish look really happy. The water feels nice and cool. Even though it's a nice hot day, it's been hot here the last few days. Actually, the whole month of August has been quite hot in the 90s. Here's the middle pond. There's the big yellow flag. And that thing is tall. Looks as tall as my gazebo over there. Who ever heard of a yellow flag iris getting so darn big? And it floats. There's roots down there. See the roots, I think. Let's see. Crows are making noise. Down here to the bottom pond. Oops. That little trail. Oh, there's my beautiful bug-free zone. I made that with the net. I'm making the patio bigger. I'm going to take all this and level it. I got some more sandbags and some more cement blocks. And it's just beautiful in there with the candles going at night. You see, I'll open up the zipper. Take a peek. This is inside. There's a net that stops things from falling in. I put most of the cushions away. So I thought it might rain yesterday, but it never did. Halloween is coming. There's a nice view of the pond. I'm going to plant that grass. I just bought it. Squeeze in another new plant. Something I haven't tried before, that perennial grass there. And I did have a lily, but you missed it. There's another one coming. There's some more hornwort down here. I have to thin it out from down here. It really grows thick. There's the water coming from the middle pond, and the ball spins by centrifugal force and helps aerate this pond. This is the middle pond. Oops, there's some hornwort there too. There's a fish swimming under the yellow flag. It's disappeared. Too much yellow flag. And back to the top pond. There, we walked all the way around. It's the top pond, the middle pond, and down there, the bottom pond, and then my bug-free gazebo. Man, this must be heaven.